1. Which sahaba did Prophet Muhammad help to become free from being a slave by planting 300 plus date palm trees? Answer: Salman al-Farisi, Ra. 2. What is the virtue of reciting Ayatul Kursi before going to bed at night to sleep? Answer: You are protected from harm till sunrise. 3. Which prophet had control of the jinn and was able to talk to animals? Answer: Sulaiman, as. 4. What does Zam Zam mean? Answer: Stop. 5. What two things does a person lose if she misses as-salaam intentionally? Answer: Family and property. 6. What is Az-Zaqqum? Answer: Food for the people of hellfire. 7. What is Sidrat al-Muntaha? Answer: A lot tree of the farthest boundary. 8. What was the relation between Prophet Musa alayhi as-salaam and Prophet Haroon alayhi as-salaam? Answer: Brothers. 9. Which two surahs are for seeking protection in Allah from evil eye and witchcraft? Answer: Surah Falaq and Surah Nas. 10. Which of the following is not an example of Major Shirk? Answer: Showing off. 11. What does Allah's name al-Mu'izz mean? Answer: The one who honors. 12. Whose dua Allah will not accept? 2 answers. Answer: A person who asks Allah with no focus and a person who asks Allah using a dead person as an intermediary. 13. Who was a first cousin of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer: Abdullah ibn al-Abbas, Ra. 14. Who will get their book of deeds in the right hand on the day of judgment? Answer: The believers. 15. What issue was Imam al-Bukhari born with and how is it fixed? Answer: Blind and fixed with mother's dua. 16. Who was Umar bin Abdul Aziz? R. 2 answers. Answer: a caliph of Islamic Empire and great-grandson of Umar ibn al-Khattab. 17. In Jannah, what is Tuba? Answer: a tree. 18. What does Allah's name Al-Ghani mean? Answer: the independent. 19. Which surah was favored over the rest of the Quran with 2 prostrations? Answer: Surah Hajj. 20. Which is not one of the rights of a Muslim upon another Muslim? Answer: if one asks for money, you give. 21. Which surah is referred as the oft-repeating verses surah? Answer: Surah Fatiha. 22. Which angel will blow the horn to signal the day of judgment? Answer: Israfil as. 23. Which prophet as addressed the ruler King Nimrod? Answer: Prophet Ibrahim as. 24. Which uncle of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, didn't accept Islam? Answer: Abu Lahab. 25. What are you not allowed to do in Sujood? Answer: recite Quran.